you gorgeous people in the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. I'm in the car. Because I have hot-footed it after work. Jumped in the car, came to M&S. And I came to M&S because I want to look and see what they've got in store. Because you may have heard, you may not have heard, that M&S have been subject to a cyber attack for the last couple of weeks. And I promised you a spring-summer haul and styling video. And some of the things that I had ordered, well, my order got cancelled. So I've got an order at home that I've tried on, all good. And I placed another order and it got cancelled because of the cyber things. And that's been like 2 weeks. 2 weeks! So I thought I would just come into store and see what's what. Are the shelves going to be empty? I'm guessing that the problems that they've had with the online ordering is going to affect the stock system as well. So we shall see. We'll find out together what they do and don't have. I've got my M&S app with a load of stuff in my cart, all the things that had been ordered, and a few little bits and pieces that I might have added since then that I can't check out with, so we're going to go and see if we got them in. I've got my bag of the day is my mini puzzle, my mini Loewe puzzle with my Fendi bag charm. I made that. My lovely, fabulous friend, Claire Louise Lux. She is beautiful. She is fabulous. She's my fellow Fendi fanatic. We went to Harrods. We were invited to do the bag charm workshop in Harrods, at Fendi Harrods, and so we did. And I'll have those vlogs linked down below in the description if you're feeling in a kind of vloggy, watchy frame of mind. If you are, I'll do an outfit of the day when we get in there, and I've got an actual mirror to do it in. But look, my shoulder pads, they're trying to escape. Right, enough nonsense. Let's go in and see if A, the things I want are in, B, that they've got stock. I got completely distracted there. So let's go. Oh, it looks like they've got plenty of things. Excellent. Let's go. I really was very pleased to see that despite the issues that M&S are having, that their shelves and their rails were stocked full. Really like their little straw summer bags. This one in particular is more of a sort of a woven cord or string or rope, but I really liked the little beading bits in between. And of course, hot pink. I'm always going to be drawn to the hot pink. This apparently is being a very popular bag with Soleil on the front. Okay, let's hope you can hear me and I don't have to do a voiceover. This is my outfit of the day. I've got my Vivea leopard print flats. Showed you my bag of the day. M&S carrot jeans. M&S leopard print belt. It's a pony hair one, so it's got texture as well as the print. This is a really super old, just like little vest top thing, which I'm pretty sure is John Lewis or M&S. And this linen jacket, oversized, is from John Lewis. That is my outfit of the day. Okay, well, I filled up a little trolley thing and I've not hit everything that I want to hit. So I'm going to carry on going around here. I'm going to check out what these things are. These lovely pastely, pinky, purpley, lilac-y things. And then shoes over there as well. As always, I'm distracted by handbags. This is a blue suede. It's kind of like a grey blue. Let's get some proper light on it. Yeah, it's very sweet. It's giving a lot of Bottega Mini Jodie vibes. Yeah, I think that would look great with jeans. This is £59. got more of that blue in this kind of half moon with a little chain. Very cute, like that style, like it. We've got all of the kind of summery type stuff in. So we've got these like canvas, kind of just off-white canvas bags. But one thing I really like is when you've got that really kind of light, summery, light, fresh, light kind of bags. I love it when they're trimmed in black. I just love that kind of juxtaposition of black for darkness and winter and all of those things. And this one comes with a pouch. Okay, like you're cute. Let's take you to a mirror. This is not easy to do in a small space with a little bag over your wrist. And do these remind you of anyone? A little bit of Mew Mew. A little bit of Mew Mew. I do like this green colour. A little bit of Loewe Squeeze. A little bit of Bottega. Again, like this kind of green. How do you work? Oh, I see. Oh my gosh. Strong popper. I see. And then magnet there to hold it down. Let's see what it looks like in the mirror. Yeah, it's quite sweet. I've got a wedding coming up in July and I'm looking for things to wear and take. Sorry about the lighting. Tucked in a little dark corner. Let's go around here. Is this better? That's better. How long is this strap? Oof. Oh, magnets. Magnets. There we go. Get that over your shoulder. Quite cute. Big and slouchy and squishy delishy is in. There's nothing much more squishy than this. Yeah, this is nice little detail on this shoulder hobo. Oh, okay, yes please. I like you. You look fabulous. Let's take you into the mirror. Oof, let's try and get behind. Yeah, I like this. Oh, that is a go with anything kind of hobo bag, and the silver is not so leery. It's relatively subtle sheen. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So this one is in the premium kind of section. Genuine leather. A lot of these are, as they say, vegan leather, pleather, however you want to call it. This is a genuine leather, the recycled polyester lining, and it's £99, which isn't bad. It's like raw suede on the inside, but really like that. Comes in black. Now, you know I love a Berkey, so I thought I'd give the M&S version a try, but every time I moved my foot, it kind of creaked. The lion will claim that I have too many sneakers, too many pairs of trainers, and a few. I'm looking at my shelves now, I've got 3 pairs, and they're all designer, and I wanted a pair that was a real sort of chuck on and go and not be really heavy leather, which is what all of my designer ones are. So these ones are pretty lightweight, pretty comfy. As you can see, I'm doing a little dance in them. So these pink ones are in this lovely kind of off, these aren't beige, they're kind of slightly off cream. difficult one to call, but more of a stone colour. It's cooler than a beige, and it's got a very kind of Loewe, I guess, inspired sole going up the back. But I've got to say, bloody comfy. Bloody comfy. I like the black ones as well. Right, well, I might be getting these in several different colours. Don't particularly like the dark grey blue. And then round here, slightly lighter, kind of very pale, kind of pinky lilac-y type colour, and then with a little gold bit there. And this all black in a little bit of cheetah leopard print. So what are these? These are standard fit, but they are very comfy. They're very light. Does it say what they're made of? Yeah, they're not going to be leather suede, but they feel really good. But this pink, they're in there. We're in the changing room. I need to make sense of this and get it all hanging up, and then wish me luck. I'm just going to say that was traumatic as usual. There are many no's, only a couple of yeses. But it would have taken too long to show you everything. And then how would I show you the haul if I've already showed it to you in the changing room? Riddle me that. Ah, where did I park? Cloudy, moody skies. Ah, there's the car. Well, that was a bit of a whirlwind visit. It is about 10 to 7 and I'm about to head home. It was good to see they had plenty of stock and that the shelves weren't empty. But they didn't have everything that I wanted and I wanted to look for. I suspect because those are the things that were really popular, because they were like, oh my god, they're gorgeous. And as you know, my thoughts about M&S are denim, love it, just brilliant. Sells out really quickly because brilliant. And there's a lot of stuff that's a little bit meh, and there's a few things that are absolutely mwah, chef's kiss. So the chef's kiss stuff wasn't in. I tried on a lot of things. I didn't show them to you. There were a couple of things, like there was a particular dress that I had in mind for the wedding that we were going to. The size 18 was more like a size 10. It was insane. So more work required on that. But I did pick up a couple of extra things that I think are going to be really good through spring, what's left of it, and summer, into summer. So hopefully next up there'll be mod shots and styling and haul and all of that kind of stuff aplenty. I hope you enjoyed this very brief trip into M&S. Let me know your thoughts about the cyber attack and everything down in the comments section, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-tabby-doozy, and bye-bye.